So ladies, let me tell you, while you are here on the auspicious occasion of Buddha Purnima, I am pretty sure as a woman and my intuitive skills, they guide me that the winner has to be one among you. So because, no, this is not in lighter vein, because let me tell you, as you have already been taking a guided tour of this premises, Buddha Vanam holds a very special place when it comes to Buddha Purnima, because it is a divine moment where the earth, the sun, and the moon happen to align. And moon somehow is known to have a certain sort of a lunar and feminine energy. So I'm sure after you go back, you will go with a heightened sense, and you'll be putting your best foot forward. Now, when it comes to the pageant, I was discussing with my better half today, and I said, what should I be speaking in the welcome invite? So he said, see, you are my Miss World, because you are my world. So he's otherwise a very unromantic person. But when it came to that, it really struck me. So you also, by that token, for your partners, for your parents, for your friends, you are their world. So you already wear a crown, and you already are the Miss World for them. Now, but as far as the competition goes, I as a woman feel that every woman is beautiful inside out, but it is your confidence which makes you stand out. I'll narrate a very small incident in Miss World Competition 2000, when Miss Priyanka Chopra, who happens to be from India, she was crowned the Miss World. In the final quiz event, or whatever you name it, she was asked that which is one living woman she finds most inspiring. And Madam Chopra went on to narrate very emotionally and very intuitively about Mother Teresa. So everything was, everything well, good. But most of you would not know that by that time Mother Teresa had died. So it was actually a wrong answer, because the panel was looking at the most inspiring figure, a living woman. But she happened to name Mother Teresa, but she did it so well, flawlessly, with such confidence that, she ended up winning the crown, and the rest is history. And my last 2 cents to you would be, after 31st or whenever the concluding ceremony takes place, when you go back to your motherland, please do work for some social cause, especially which focus girls and women. Because remember, sisters before Mr. So be it, something, an issue which is close to your heart, something that you feel, something which is very hyper-local, which is in your area, please do put your best foot forward, because you are a winner in your own way. You are a brand ambassador, you are a celebrity now. When you go back to your people, they'll be looking up to you with a lot of expectation. A lot of us in the fairer sex don't even know what a goal is, let alone chasing it. So those are my final words, and I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate my team, the police team led by SP Mr. Sharad Pawar, and the revenue team, the civil team led by Mr. Narayan Amit. I hope the gastronomical delight which we are about to serve you will do justice with your tight diet regime as well. I hope you have a good evening tonight. Thank you.